Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change km to miles on Google Maps or change kilometer to miles on Google Map. And to do that, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, you can find the settings option for us. Just below your data in Maps, tap on settings. And scroll down to the bottom again, and there is the navigation settings. Tap on navigation settings and again scroll down, and over here under the map display option you can see there is the distance units, and currently it's on automatic, but if it's in your kilometers you can change it to miles, and the next time you check a destination on Google Maps it will be on miles. And with that being said guys, this is how to change kilometer to miles on the Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.